this demo video, I'm going to be showing you how Anchor Group's bulk CSV import tool for SuiteCommerce and SuiteCommerce Advanced works and what it's designed for, and just a couple of tips and tricks along the way. So this tool is designed for companies where their customers have large amounts of items on a single order that needs to be accomplished and shopped for. So let's say that instead of going on individual product detail pages for 60 different items in order to create a full order, what we've done here is allows it for the customers to have a CSV file of all the items they know they need and drag and drop it into this CSV import tool, extracts all the items from the file, and adds each of the line items with the correct quantities to the cart for them. In addition to that, we have a remove all button so that if you're bulk adding and needed to, let's say, redo and start from scratch because, I don't know, maybe you had the wrong item number or the wrong item name, then they could remove all as well. So a couple different functionalities are built into this tool. All the customer needs to do is be able to create a CSV file with the product and the quantity, and you can determine whether it needs to use the item name, the item number, whatever it needs to use. We can guide the customers and set up the mapping appropriately for that. In this case, we're using the item number for the CSV import tool. I'm going to review a couple of these notes. We've added a download sample file to make it easier for the customer. Some tips and tricks along the way, like that it needs a product and quantity, and just some tips around like unavailable or incorrect items and what must happen in order for them to get it to process correctly. You can ignore this note right here where it says you can upload up to 100 items in an import. We have been able to get past that issue for now, so that is no longer a constraint with this tool. All right, let's go ahead and drag and drop a CSV file over here. I'm just going to copy it right into here. It's starting to process the file, and now I can click Add to Cart. I'm going to click Add to Cart here, and very quickly it's going to extract all the line items and add them to the cart with the appropriate quantities. So you can see it added in addition to the existing item that was already in the cart. So let's take a peek at the CSV file so you can see what this looked like in the beginning. You can see that there's a column for product and quantity, and this is the item number and the quantity. We've surfaced the item number on each of the product detail pages. You could also create product catalogs for it to be easier for the customer as well. And then if they're frequently having to reorder the same types of items, they've got a full list of your items already available. This particular tool pairs really nicely with Anchor Group's multiple cart tool that allows you to toggle between different carts within the same account. So you can build one cart, toggle to a different cart, and set and change the active cart that you have available. This tool also pairs well with our wholesale order form, which puts all your products in a list view and allows you to quickly add each of your items into the cart from a single table view rather than having to navigate to each of the product detail pages. So there's lots of ways to optimize the customer experience for your specific use case, and this tool is just one of them.